In Excel, a formula is an expression that operates on values in a range of cells or a cell. Functions are predefined formulas and are already available in Excel. Here we have made another table which lists down the function and the corresponding results by applying a particular function on a range of cells on the table previous year average. Let us learn how to define a custom function, custom sum, which calculates the sum of certain values. Let us suppose we would like to know the sum of the previous year average of the students Raman Goyal and Ritvik Sarkar. You can see that Raman Goyal and Ritvik Sarkar have a serial number of 4 and 5 respectively. So we go onto this table and search for 4 and 5, and we find that the cells that we want to operate on is J is cell J5 and cell J6. In a formula or a function, we need to type in equal to, and then we select the cell that we want to operate on, which is cell J5, and then we need to add it to the cell J6, and then we simply press on enter and we get a result. So this tells us that the sum of the previous year average of the students Raman, Goyal and Ritvik Sarkar is 122. The most used functions in Excel are the functions count and sum. Count function is used to count the number of cells that contains number. To find the number of students in your class, you can make the use of the count function. So we start with an equal to, and then we type in count and an open bracket. Then we select all the cells that we want to count, and which is J2 to J21, which is shown here. We close the brackets and then we press on enter. This tells us that the total number of students is 20, which can be verified by checking the serial number, which is 20. We look at the sum function. To find the total number of marks obtained by all the students in the previous year, we can use the sum function. Sum function is used to sum a range of cells. So we apply this by starting with an equal to, typing in sum, opening a bracket, selecting the cells, which is J2 to J21, and closing the bracket and pressing on enter. This tells us that the sum of the previous year average for all the students is 1461. Let us have a look at the average function. To find the average previous year average of all your classmates, we make the use of the average function. Average function calculates the average or the arithmetic mean of a group of numbers. The average function ignores logical values, empty cells, and cells that contain text. So in order to apply it, we start with typing in equal to average, opening a bracket, and selecting the range of cells that we want the average of, closing the bracket, and pressing on enter. This tells us that the average, previous year average of all the students is 73.05. To find the students who obtain the highest marks last year, we can make the use of the max function. To find the maximum value, we use the max function. So we start with equal to, typing in max, opening in the brackets, selecting all the range of cells, closing it, and then pressing on enter. This tells us that the highest scorer of the class is the student with serial number 1 and has scored 92 marks, which is Judy Robertson in this case. Next, to find the student who obtained the lowest marks last year, we can use the min function in a similar way to the max function by typing in min and selecting the range of cells and pressing on enter. This tells us that the lowest marks was 56, and here we can see that it was obtained by the student with serial number 5, which is Ritvik Sarkar in this case.